Okay, Miko, could you imagine that? How was the movie that we saw?
Yes. Like we watched poetry. Like we have someone reading a poetry. Song is, I think this is very important in a movie. And
The next nominee is...
Best Original Soundtrack.
Ooh.
And the winner is... Can you guess who?
Puri Whoa, wait a minute. I get a word. I'm speechless today as the best soundtrack. First and foremost, I would like to thank God. Thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for never-ending grace, mercy and provision during what ended up being one of the toughest times of my life. Thanks for all of my family that always support me to compose this soundtrack. Thanks for all my brilliant music director, Erwin Gutawang Orchestra. Thank you. For all of my nominees, this is yours. You are the winners too. Without soundtrack, the movie is nothing.
Yeah.